Hello everyone. In our previous classes, what we have seen is that there are various types of chemical reaction. So today, what I am gonna explain you some of the chemical reactions that is physically, so that you can easily memorize all these reactions. That means types of color of the product, types of color of the reactants. That will be very much easy to remember for you guys. So let's go to the first reaction, that is the mixing process. So whenever, see here, this is a lead nitrate and this one is the potassium iodide. So you can see here that when lead nitrate and potassium iodide react, then the product is generally potassium iodide, sorry, the lead iodide, which is in yellow color. We can see here there are two beakers where one is contain lead nitrate and another is potassium iodide. So when they react, a yellow color is formed, that is lead iodide. So this is the mixing process, and there are another mixing process, that is aqueous solution. We can see that sodium chloride and silver nitrate when react, silver chloride, curdy white precipitate product is formed, that is known as silver chloride. We can see here that the product is silver chloride. Okay, so this is the mixing process actually. Now this is a heating process, that means decomposition of some elements. So what we can see is that copper carbonate when decomposes by heating, copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas is formed. Copper oxide in this beaker, in this test tube, copper oxide is formed, that is black in color. And what we can see is the water, this water is generally calcium hydroxide, that is lime water is generally known as. Now if I apply carbon dioxide to the lime water, the water becomes the solution becomes, you can see here, see the solution become white colors, that means CO2 gas is evolved. Okay, this is copper carbonate. In this test tube we are heating copper carbonate, white precipitate is formed, same test tube, and the gas is evolved through the test tube. It is coming to this one. This is also the testing of calcium hydroxide, lime water testing. This testing is also known as lime water testings. Now this is just a picture form, as I did not found any practical reaction. So what we are doing, lead nitrate, we are simply heating lead nitrate, and this gas is generally brown color, that is nitrogen dioxide. This gas is brown color, that is nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen is evolved, and potassium iodide will be potassium iodide will be in potassium iodide will form. So what you can see that whenever we are hitting lead nitrate, lead sorry, lead oxide, what I am telling, not potassium iodide, it's a lead oxide. I don't know what I told actually. So simply what we have to do here, we are getting potassium lead nitrate and we are getting lead oxide and a brown color gas, that is nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. Oxygen has no color, it's a colorless gas. So these are the some of example I am sharing with you, so that it can be it can be very easy to remember all this reaction.